Good morning. It's 6:44 and I'm getting ready to work. Vlog number 8 or 9. I should check that out to be prepared for the vlogs, but I'm not, and I didn't. So it's just the next vlog.
Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching my daily vlogs. And this is vlog number, number 8 or 9. It's 7:29 a.m. right now, but I actually started filming a bit earlier because when I just woke up at 6:44, I think. Well, it's a rainy day, cloudy, just like it was yesterday, but it wasn't raining. My car is showing as 19 degrees, but I think it's still because I don't know why it's showing that. Maybe it is 19. My day is going fine. It's still 9:14 a.m. It's raining and it was very busy. There were a lot of cars before 9. Hopefully I think it's gonna and should get less busy right now because people got to their jobs and kids got to their schools. But it was just too hectic. And then phones don't work, internet loads for a very long time today. So you wait for everything to get done. And it's so dark that all the cars are turning on their headlights and the street lights turn on as well. What is it? June 7th. I'm trying to make it on time for my dentist appointment, which is at 2 p.m. Technically, I'm supposed to finish everything by 2, but everything is running late, of course. It's raining, and because of the water, the street lights are not working. And because of that, there's huge congestion right exactly where I need to go. And I'm trying to avoid that. That's pretty much it. Yeah, because if you're watching my vlogs, 2 or 3 videos ago, my tooth was hurting on Thursday. And I went to the dentist and my appointment was only for cleaning, which I did. And then they looked into and they discovered what needs to be done with my tooth, which is a root canal, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. That's what I'm going for, and that's what I'm trying to make it on time for. And you can see the congestion that I'm talking about. Actually, you can't really see, but you can see that there are a lot of cars here. They're standing. See, they just crossed on green and they're standing, and then this truck is gonna go, of course. That's how my day is going. It's only 10:05. Oh, we're going. Very nice. There. I don't know how much you can see. That's what we're trying to avoid, because I need to go that way. Yeah, let's switch on the GoPro. Okay. Let's get back to driving and see where this road is gonna lead us. If I will be able to avoid that traffic jam. There's a Jetta in front of me that's keeping me company. I want a cool car. I want something that's rear wheel drive, loud, fast, and at least, I guess, a V6 with a turbo, and that's affordable. Well, I don't think that really exists, but I'll be searching and saving it. But also, I don't know if I would want to daily drive that car. That's why I got the Elantra, because I know that I want to daily drive the Elantra because I have the funds for that. I have the, oh my goodness, what is happening there? Oh, it's just a lower speed bump, I see. It's just a car in front of me. It didn't go straight through the speed bump, it went to the right. And I'm like, is there something there? It was just the speed bump was 1 millimeter lower on the right, and it's not even a lowered Jetta. I guess he's trying to save his ball joints and stuff. His suspension or her suspension. I didn't see what that is. I really liked driving the Golf. It gives you emotions. It's fast. It's fun. I can't imagine how fun it would be if it was rear wheel drive. Okay, I'm gonna continue going about my day and I'll tune in soon. It's 15 minutes until my dentist appointment for my root canal, and I am driving there. So I think I'm gonna make it on time. My day is still going fine. I was just thinking about the dentist appointment and getting on time there and just being done with that, because it needs to be done, you know, and that's what my mind was occupied with the whole day. So after the dentist, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna edit and post some videos to Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as well. So I don't know if I'll get to film anything else. Like yesterday when I was doing the live, I filmed a little bit. I don't know how today is gonna turn out after the dentist, but for now I think that I'm not gonna have any more time to film anything. So I'll see you guys later. See you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Alexei. You are watching Driving Approach. Bye.